Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, so messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre po, kung may tanong po pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light. Okay, so yeah, again, wag pong kalimutan na mag-follow. Okay? And yes, sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, yan, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po, na magme-message. Okay? And again, don't forget to follow rin si Kuya Dingsi. Okay? And yes, pagdating sa ating mga evil eye items, so ito yung ating all-in-one evil eye bracelet, yung may initial. Okay? Ito naman yung isa. Ito yung walang initial. Okay? So, this is adjustable, yung may initial po available in red and black strings. So ito naman yung ating isa, which is garterized naman po. Okay, ito yung walang initial garterized, and the same po silang unisex. Okay, the same. Okay, so ang ating evil eye ring, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and adjustable yung ating ring. Okay, adjustable po yan Okay, so pagdating naman sa ating evil eye necklace, so ito naman si evil eye necklace natin, again, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and merong extender ang ating chain. Okay, para po may a-adjust nyo yung haba ng chain. Okay, so yun naman is pwede nyo namang gamitan ng ibang chain kung gusto. Okay, pagdating naman sa ating love bracelet, so ito siya. Okay po, love bracelet. This is made to order. Okay po, made to order to So, pwede sa single, pwede sa may mga karelasyon at maraming conflict pagdating sa connection So, kung anong kailangan sa inyong situation pagdating sa love, siya yung magpo-provide. Okay? Siyempre, yung mga nandito, tawag dyan, yung mga gems, yung mga stones, plus lang yan, dahil meron tayong gagawin pagdating dito. Okay po, so yun ang ating sabihin nating ang tawag dyan, secret, secret ingredient, diba? Yes, ayan yun. Okay, so pag to marireceive, nakabox po ito. Okay, nakabox siya, and ito po is pang babae. Okay, wala pa, kita nyo naman, pang babae. 7 inches long po itong haba nito, actually 7 inches long. So ganyan siya kapag inyong isinuot, ganyan. Okay, ano ba? So, yun lang ang aking info muna. Okay, so again, dito naman tayo kay Grantor necklace. So, si Grantor necklace naman is, ang tawag dyan, unisex. Okay po, babae, lalaki, kung naman ang gender mo, yan, pwede sa'yo yan. So, pagdating sa chain, non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, and 20 inches long yung chain ng ating Grantor necklace. Okay, ganyan po siya Pagdating sa pendant, kung makikita nyo, para siyang may glass. Okay, so acrylic, front and back. Okay, so ganyan po wala kayong makikita ang gantong design dahil akong gumawa. Okay. Yes, okay, and ano pa ba? So, kung meron pang ibang tanong, message lang po sa akin pong FB page para sa ibang details. And syempre, yes, be patient, okay? Be patient kapag magme-message kayo kasi hindi po agad-agad minsan re-replyan ni admin kasi sobrang dami nyo. Okay po, sobrang dami nyo. So, ano pa ba? So, meron tayong isa pa, na bago, di ba, inisip ko pa. May bago tayong i-release na new item, which is help para makapag-cleanse. Okay? So, di ba, every time na magpapa-cleanse tayo, kailangan pa natin ng ibang tao, yung marunong, no? So, yung atin, ipoprovide ko na ipoprovide ko yung pwedeng gamitin nyo para ma-cleanse yung mga energy na nakapaligid. Okay? So, ganon. Oo. So, in general, panglahatan na po yun ha, yung ating ilalabas na new item. So, abang-abang na lang po. Okay? Abang-abang na lang. Again, kung meron pang mga ibang katanungan, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Okay? So, let's start the reading with air signs. Okay. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Anong message for you? Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Message for air signs, please. Okay. The Devil in reversed. Okay. So, maganda-ganda yun, oh. Para sa first card mo, the Devil in reverse. Naka-reversed. Lahat ng toxic, lahat ng di okay, mawawala. The Devil in reverse. What's that? The Two of Cups in reverse. Some of you may chance na sabihin nating the Nine of Swords is here. Okay, so yeah, iba sa inyo nakakaranas ng stress, nakakaranas ng hindi maganda. I think si universe gagawa ng isang way or action para may alis yun. Okay? Some of you, this is regarding a connection na napaka-toxic na. May chance ng separation. Okay? Kung ayaw nyo nun, well, yakapin nyo yung stress. Okay? Kung ayaw nyo nun, yakapin nyo. Yeah. Ganun lang naman eh. No? So, si universe may gagawin siya. Meron siyang mga iaalis sa buhay mo na nagbibigay ng stress sa'yo. Yun. Okay? Pero kung ayaw mo, habulin mo yung mga inaalis ni universe at yakapin mo. Okay? Yun lang. Oo. So, what else? What else? For air signs. Okay. The High Priestess in reversed. What's that? Okay. The Six of Pentacles in reversed. Someone will get caught. May mahuhuli. Yeah. The King of Swords. Okay? Some of you, this is regarding sabihin natin parang may mga kaso, mga ganyan. Anyway. Sabihin natin parang may mananagot. Parang may mga ganon. Okay? Kung ano may mga nawala. Parang ganyan. May mahuhuli, may makikita. Yes. That's specific. So specific. Okay? Some of you, merong mawawala dito, ha? Pwedeng bagay. I don't know. Pwedeng misplace lang. Merong mga, sabihin nating, avoid ninyo yung parang, ang tawag dito, yung sasabog agad yung emosyon mo and mapapagbintangan mo yung iba. Avoid mo yun. Okay? Avoid mo. If ever. Hay, ikaw ba? Kinuha mo to? Parang ikaw yung kumuha. Avoid nyo yun. Okay? Kasi pwedeng magkamali eh. Yeah. What else for air signs? There's this someone na gusto ng new beginning with you or another chance. Pero, hindi mo to pagbibigyan, i-reject mo na. Okay? The Four of Cups in reverse, puro naka-reverse card mo. Four of Cups in reverse. May mga sikretong mabubunyag. Actually, merong mga, sabihin nating, may mga lalapit sa'yo to tell their emotions. To share kung ano man yung nararamdaman nila for you, I think. Okay? Yeah. May mga re-reject. Oh. May mga re-reject. Oh my God. Okay. So, yun nga. Be careful, no, sa mga pwedeng nating mabitawang salita. Okay. Yeah. The Sun in reverse. The Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Yeah. Kasi pwedeng, yes, pwede mong sabihin sorry whatsoever. Pasensya na. Oo, nabigla lang ako. Pero, yun eh. Iba yung, nasabi na natin. Masasakit na bagay. Kung ano man. Nakatatak na yun. No? Opo. So, be careful or sabihin nating maging mahinahon every time. Okay, maging mahinahon. Yeah, the Knight of Pentacles. Isipin muna natin before tayo gumawa ng action or magbitaw ng mga salita, no, sa mga susunod na araw. Okay po. So, yeah, and yes, meron ditong tatanggihang offer. Okay, offer na pwedeng partnership, I think. Okay, so there. Yeah. And yes, may mga mabubunyag na sekreto. Okay, again, yeah. So, fire signs. Fire signs naman tayo. Okay, so what's with you? Anong meron para sa mga fire signs? Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. Okay, parang nakatabing yung camera ko. hang on. Okay. So, parang okay na. Kahit pa paano. So, fire signs, Aries, Leo, and Sag. Ano ang message for you from universe? Fire signs. Okay. Ace of Swords in reversed. Rejection. What's that? The Ace of Swords in reversed. What? The Ten of Pentacles. Some of you may mga madi-deny na loan. Denied na loan. Ha? Mayroong hindi ma-approve. Okay? Na loan. Or sabihin natin in general, kaperahan. Mayroong hindi ma-approve. Yes. Meron ditong maririsked maybe. Or pwedeng meron ditong energy na pwedeng maghihintay ka ulit. Mga ganyan. Okay? May mga tawag dyan? Transaction, no, na pwedeng hindi matuloy. Yeah. Lalo na pagdating sa kaperahan po, ha? What else? Yeah, the Tower. Ooh, what's that? What's with that Tower? This is unexpected. The King of Cups in reversed. What's with this King of Cups in reversed? The Queen of Pentacles in reversed. Meron ditong uunahan na umalis sa isang situation. Okay? Kasi takot masaktan. Yeah. Yeah, the Star in reversed. Meron ditong takot masaktan, kaya parang uunahan na yung isang sitwasyon. If this is separation because of the Tower, if this is separation, may chance na merong manguna kaysa sa'yo. Like, makikipag-break na ako sa'yo, fire sign. Parang ganun. Because, yeah, may chance na takot sila na masaktan. Okay, yes, masaktan sila na makikipag-break sa'yo or makikipaghiwalay. Pero, mas feeling nila masasaktan sila kapag naunahan sila sa break-up. Parang ganun. Okay? Yeah. May chance rin dito ng energy ng sana walang ganto. Pero I need to say it. Okay? Pagdating sa health, may biglaan na pwedeng tawag dyan, matrigger. Okay? Matrigger. Pagdating sa heart. Anyway. Okay, so there. So, what else for fire signs? Aries, Leo, Sag. Okay, the Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups. And the Emperor in reversed. Who is this? Napaka-selfless. Unconditional love ang ibinibigay ng taong to, kung sino man to. Okay? What's with this Queen of Cups? Yung parang naapaka na siya, okay lang. Yeah, ooh, the Two of Cups. I think this is a mother or father figure. Meron silang mga nararamdaman pero they doesn't tell you kung ano man to. Kumustahin ninyo, ha? Yung mga magulang nyo, if ever nandyan pa sila. Okay? May mga problem, actually, pero hindi nila sinasabi. Yeah. Ayaw lang nila siguro na makakaramdam ka ng kung ano man. Ayaw lang na parang may stress ka whatsoever. Okay, so it's like parang parang ano eh, tinitiis. May nagtitiis dito, fire sign. Okay? Meron ditong person na gustong mapalapit sa'yo or makapunta sa'yo. Parang ganyan. I think they miss you. Yes, they miss you. Yeah, they want to talk. Some of them. Meron tong gustong i-share pero yeah, iniiwasan na lang nila na pwedeng baka ma-stress ka kasi parang ganun. Okay, so parang tinitiis na lang. Kamustahin nyo yung mga mahal nyo sa buhay. Okay, so water signs. Okay, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Okay, messages, energy check-ins, prediction for water signs. Okay, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, big help yan sa ating channel. Okay. So, ano ba? Yan. Okay, the 7 of Cups. Choosing. Okay, options. Being busy. Yeah. Yeah, being busy. Who's busy? Okay, some of you, you'll get a message. Okay, na pwedeng may kaakibat na pwedeng pagkakabisihan mo. Parang ganyan. Okay, pwedeng work-related, actually. Okay, this is a work-related, yeah, message. Sobrang daming gawain, yung iba sa inyo. Okay, yung iba pwedeng sobrang dami ng gawain, hindi masama ang tumanggi. Okay, hindi masama ang tumanggi, ha? Some of you, you'll hear a rumor about third-party connection sa workplace. Okay? What else? The Tower in reversed. What's that? The Hanged Man. Avoid delays. Okay, avoid procrastinations. Okay? Yeah, delays. Avoid nyo, ha? Yeah, Temperance. Kung ano man tong mga hinihintay ninyo, huwag kayong petics. Okay? May naririnig akong word na petics. Huwag nyong gagawin. Okay? So, kung kaya mong gawin yung isang bagay, huwag mo na ipagpabukas. Okay? Gawin mo na ngayon pa lang. Yes. Maging, sinasabi rito, hayaan mo yung sarili mong maging busy. Okay? Water signs, hayaan mong sarili mong maging busy. Huwag mo hayaan na parang wala kang ginagawa. I don't know why. Okay? Avoid nyo rin yung delays. At yung pagpo-procrastinate. Like, ay, tsaka na to, bukas na to. Avoid nyo yun. Okay? So, what else? Iba sa inyo, nakikita ko na sa sobrang dami ng gawain, ang nakikita ko is parang mawawala na ng oras para magpahinga. Okay, mawawala na ng oras para magpahinga. Wag naman, ha? Hindi naman tayo robot. Okay? Someone's thinking of you. Someone who is avoiding you, or maybe maybe you are avoiding them, they're thinking of you. Some of them, inihintay ka nila. I don't know why. Yeah, the Hermit in reversed. What? What's with that Hermit in reversed? Yeah, the Ace of Swords in reversed. Ano to? Oh, the Emperor. I think some of you, oh my God. Okay, there's this offer na pwedeng dumating sa inyo. Okay? Regarding stability, regarding success, okay? Abundance, nandyan rin. Pera, okay? Prosperity, wealth. Ayun ang nakukuha ko, stability in general. Okay? Pero nandyan yung parang doubt. I'm seeing here doubt. Pagdating dyan. Okay? Yung parang hindi mo alam, ay hindi ko kasi alam yan eh. Parang ganon. May offer po na pwedeng mangyari in the near future, na pwedeng yun na magbibigay ng, sabi nating pagbabago, no? Pagdating sa status mo. Okay? Iba rito, may chance ng marriage in the near future. Yes. Okay? Bakit ano to? The Hermit in reversed. Yeah, there's an offer. Some of you, this is an offer na pwedeng see? Pwedeng pera, pwedeng, yun nga, partnership. Talking about moving forward. Okay? Talking about improvement, progress. Okay po, may paparating oh. Okay? Magsisimula kayo sa maliit hanggang sa lumaki. Parang ganyan. Yeah. Ito yung parang hindi mo sure. Pero this is just like a leap of faith. Parang ganyan. Kailangan mong i-take risk. Yes. And ikaw na yung bahala kung paano. Parang ganyan eh. Kailangan mo lang, yes, kailangan mo lang mag-decide ng tama. Okay? Magkakaroon kayo ng doubt dito. This is something big. Okay? This is something big. There's this someone na pwedeng kailangan ng care. Okay, iba na tong energy ah. Meron dito nangangailangan ng aruga. Care. Okay, especially pwedeng regarding health conditions. Okay, pwedeng magkaroon ng check-up. Okay, check-up. Doctor, yan, yeah. Okay, so yeah, there. Next is earth signs. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Anong message for you? Earth signs. Mensahe. Gabay. Energy check-ins. Prediction. For earth signs. 5 of Cups. So, this is panghihinayang. Bakit? The 2 of Swords. Avoid regrets or avoid panghihinayang. I don't know why. Okay. There's this bitter ex. Oo. Na pwedeng nangihinayang sa'yo sa ngayon. Okay? Pwede rin meron ditong bitter ex na nangihinayang sa ginawa niyang desisyon sa past pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw itong parang nagiging okay without them and ayaw nila yun. So maybe there's this someone, pwedeng ex mo na nakikita ka na pwedeng nagiging okay ka. May mga nangyaring maganda sa'yo and now they're regretting na umalis sila sa buhay mo, ganto, ganyan, ikaw pala yung dapat na pinili, whatsoever. May maling desisyon na ginawa itong ex mo na to sa past na pwedeng pinagsisisihan nila hanggang ngayon. Okay? So, okay. What else for earth signs? Who is this person na parang nangihinayang dahil ina-avoid ka nila? Who is this? Pwedeng water with air? Who is this? The 3 of Swords, Capricorn. Pwedeng Capricorn, pwedeng air signs. Pwedeng single tong taong to. I think they like you. Okay, they like you. I don't know bakit sila nangihinayang or parang kung ano man, sad. So maybe ngayon nare-realize nito na pwedeng gusto ka niya, whatsoever. Okay. Yeah, the Magician. Oh, what's with that Magician? The Knight of Wands. There's this someone who is manifesting you. Yeah. And some of you, if you're manifesting a person, paparating na. Okay? Paparating na. Pwedeng makakuha kayo ng connect or connection or relationship in the near future. Okay, the Knight of Wands. And I think, hindi lang iisa. Hindi lang iisa. Okay? Yes. The Knight of Wands. In general, may mga paparating na new energies in the near future. Okay, and yes, you've manifested it. Yeah. Okay, what else for Earth signs? Okay, the Four of Cups in reversed. And the Queen of Swords. Someone is afraid telling their true emotions pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Why? Who is this Four of Cups in reverse? Ano tong Four of Cups in reverse na to? Ano gusto nilang sabihin? Yeah, they like you. Oo. Okay. I think they're being, feeling intimidated. Kaya ganon. Takot sila ma-reject if ever. Okay, isa na tong Queen of Swords na naka-reverse na to. Who is this? The Queen of Pentacles. Some of you pwedeng may anak na itong taong to. Okay? Some of you may chance na same gender kayo. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kang hinala na itong taong to is merong sex fluidity, like they're into same gender relationship. Parang ganon. Okay? Yeah. Yung iba naman, itong taong ito, pwedeng nakakasama mo to sa isang lugar. Someone younger, iba sa kanila, someone younger. Okay? May mga nagkaka-crush sa inyo, mga earth signs. Yeah. The Devil. Pwedeng Capricorn. Okay? Someone is, sabihin natin, thinking of you sexually. May ganun rin. Okay? So, and ito specific na message. Matuto raw kayo kung paano ang tawag dyan, matuto, no? Matuto raw kayo pagdating sa money flow. Yeah. Pagdating sa money flow, yeah, you can search money flow. Okay? Kasi money is energy. So, nagfo-flow ang money. Parang yeah. Okay? So, I think para sa lahat yon, kailangan mong matuto kung paano mo patatakbuhin or pagaganahin yung money flow. Okay? So, there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you. All signs. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!